I ain't about to get stung again. I got stung on my arm just a little bit earlier coming out, so. Got one. Well guys, the idea behind this weekend was to sit back and relax, kick our feet up by the fire, and just enjoy some good food. But I live in Oklahoma and our weather's got other plans. So we've had like windstorm after windstorm, rainstorm after rainstorm, and it has made an absolute mess of this place. All the hillside that we cleaned up behind us, you'd never know it. The deadfall from the tops of the trees is all falling back down on the ground. We got several trees down. We got to get that cleaned up. My creek crossing is just about impassable. I drive a Toyota Tacoma here, and it's an off-road vehicle, and it's rough getting across that thing. So I got to get some gravel in there, get it smoothed out. The grass is growing super tall. We got a brush hog, and it's not going to be that relaxing of a weekend. But a weekend at the cabin is better than a day at work any day. So I'm not going to be too upset about it. Hey, if you're new here, do me a favor, drop a like on this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you're watching from, and just say hi. I appreciate everybody that takes the time to leave a comment. It boosts my morale. These videos are tough, guys, especially when you make them and nobody watches them. It kind of makes it hard to want to keep just posting videos, you know. But I know that Rome wasn't built in a day, and we're going to keep after it. But anyways, that's enough chit chat for me. I'm going to get to work, and we'll see you in a little bit.
The following morning, you had a quick breakfast and headed on down to get a little bit.
So I'm working on a little Cajun dish. Basically get tin full of some shrimp, potatoes, boil the potatoes up just a little bit, boil your corn, get it all ready. You make a little mix with some butter and Creole seasoning and garlic and all that good stuff. Mix it together, you put it in a tin foil, you put it over your fire just like a hobo dinner, and with your shrimp and some smoked sausage, and it's absolutely great. I got the fire going. It's cooking. I got the potatoes, they're boiling here, and yeah, we're gonna get this finished up. It's gonna be some good supper. We're gonna see if we can catch us a fish. As you guys saw, Destin and saltwater fishing, not my cup of tea. I bet I can catch something out here today though. Let's see what happens. Got one. Second cast. Come here. Just a little guy. There he is. Oh, right there. I don't know if y'all got that on, if I got that on film or not, but he had it. He wasn't very big. There he is. Crappie. Little crappie. Man, that's the second one that's in the... Calm down now. Calm down, buddy. I'll get you back in the water. I mean, it'll take a lot of those to make a fish fry. Here, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm making this work. Let me get it mounted on my head real quick, and then let's take this dude off. Yeah, so that's what I look like fishing out here, trying to get this on film. Ain't it nice? I bet you they never thought when they sold these that these Jobies. I bet they never ever thought some guy's gonna put this on his head and go fishing. But here we are. Get in here, buddy. I mean, we can catch that size all day long. I think it's number 10. Fish on. Another little sunfish. Little perch. Look at that dude. Now, I don't know what kind of fish this is. I think they call it a green sunfish. I think they are aggressive. And they like to fight. Well, I think it's about going to wrap it up for this evening. We did good. I mean, I got nothing to complain about. Oh, I bet we caught a dozen. We didn't get any good big fish, but I don't even care. As long as we catching fish, that's all that matters to me. We didn't catch any wall hangers, but by golly, we caught plenty to eat if we was hungry. We wouldn't starve tonight. Look at that sunset. My goodness. Sure is pretty. Well, the first things that we need to do this morning is get some wasp spray. We might have to wait till this afternoon, but I've got 2 wasp nests right here and 1 over here, and they're active. Now, I'm not about to be in the mood to be getting stung in the back of the ear by a red wasp, so we're gonna have to deal with those guys here today, I think, as well. I ain't about to get stung again. I got stung on my arm just a little bit earlier coming out. So, nope, you sting me, you gotta go. I'm gonna have to get down here and work on the old creek crossing. It's getting a little rough. Old trailer drags. Gonna have to get it figured out. All right, so that's pretty much going to wrap this weekend up, guys. Got the creek fixed, as you saw. Did some brush hogging. We got all the deadfall limbs and stuff around here. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks a ton better than it did. And got to do some fishing. Enjoyed that. Caught a lot of fish. And overall, just a pretty good weekend. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Follow our journey. We've got a whole lot of adventures planned for this rest of this summer. And, you know, just hang out. I mean, that's what we do here. Maybe one of these days, Oklahoma weather will give us a break and we can actually just sit out here and relax. But I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. I don't know if you can see behind me here, but we got some dark clouds moving in. Looks like we got another storm coming in, so probably come back next weekend and get to do it all over again. Y'all have a great week, and we'll see you on the next one.